Music is a deeply human creation, designed to evoke emotion, stimulate thought, and connect individuals across cultures. But while people have long been moved by melodies and rhythms, animals, including domestic cats, have occasionally shown signs of interest as well. A cat sitting calmly near a speaker, twitching its ears in rhythm, or gazing toward a source of sound might appear to be listening, even enjoying the music. This raises an intriguing question: do cats truly listen to music, and if so, why? To begin understanding this phenomenon, we must acknowledge the fundamental differences between how humans and cats perceive sound. Cats have an extraordinary auditory system. Their range of hearing extends from about 48 Hz to 85 kHz. Compared to the human range of roughly 20 Hz to 20 kHz. This means cats can detect both lower and, more notably, much higher frequencies than humans can. Their ears are highly mobile and sensitive, capable of rotating independently to pinpoint the origin of a sound. This exceptional hearing evolved to serve a specific purpose: hunting small prey like rodents, which often emit high-pitched squeaks and subtle movements that humans cannot hear. Given this difference, music created for human ears may or may not have relevance or appeal to a cat. Much of what humans consider harmonious, melodies, chords, rhythmic patterns, may be sonically meaningless to cats. However, this does not mean cats are entirely indifferent to sound. In fact, cats are very responsive to auditory stimuli, especially those that mimic the types of sounds they encounter in nature or associate with emotional or physical experiences. When a cat seems to listen to music, it is likely responding to one or more of the following elements: tone, rhythm, volume, or vibration. For example, a slow, repetitive rhythm at a low volume may resemble the comforting sound of a heartbeat or breathing, especially if the cat is in a calm, resting state. The tones produced by instruments like pianos, flutes, or string instruments, especially when played softly, may mimic the kinds of soft environmental sounds a cat would hear in a peaceful natural setting. These can produce a soothing effect and may explain why a cat chooses to linger near a source of music rather than avoid it. There is also growing scientific interest in the field of species-specific music. Researchers have begun to compose music tailored to the hearing range and behavioral responses of different animals. In 2015, a team of scientists led by psychologist Charles Snowdon collaborated with a composer to create music specifically for cats. Their compositions used frequencies and tempos that matched the pitch of cats' natural vocalizations, such as purring and kitten nursing sounds, combined with tempos mimicking the rhythm of a feline's resting heart rate. The results were compelling. Many cats showed clear preferences for the species-specific compositions over human music. Responding with positive behaviors like rubbing, purring, and orienting toward the sound source, these studies support the idea that cats are indeed capable of responding to auditory stimuli that are meaningful or pleasant to them, even if those sounds don't correspond to what humans recognize as music. This also suggests that when cats appear to listen to music created for humans, they may be interpreting certain components that accidentally align with their sensory preferences, such as high-pitched notes or gentle rhythms, rather than consciously enjoying the music in the way humans do. Cats' responses to music may also be context-dependent. A cat lounging in a familiar, quiet environment may be more receptive to soft classical or ambient music, while a sudden loud genre like rock or metal may startle or repel them. Moreover, just like people, individual cats have unique personalities. Some may be more curious, relaxed, or tolerant of unusual stimuli, while others are more skittish or reactive. A calm, older cat may find soft piano music soothing, while a young, high-energy cat may ignore music entirely unless it mimics the sound of prey. Beyond the sounds themselves, the way music affects the atmosphere in a room may influence a cat's behavior. Music can change human posture, tone of voice, and mood, cues that cats are exceptionally good at reading. A relaxed human moving slowly and speaking softly while music plays might make the cat feel safer and more inclined to stay nearby. In this way, A cat's apparent attention to music may also be a reflection of the human's response to it, rather than the sound alone. Cats are deeply sensitive to vibration as well. Their paw pads and whiskers pick up subtle changes in the environment, including the vibrations from sound waves. When music plays, especially through speakers with a strong bass component or in a room with acoustically responsive surfaces, cats can feel the vibrations. Depending on the frequency and intensity, this can be either pleasant or irritating. A low, steady hum might be calming, while a chaotic or irregular vibration might signal danger or discomfort. Ultimately, when cats appear to listen to music, they are not engaging with it as humans do, with conscious emotional or aesthetic interpretation. Rather, they are responding to certain physical and sensory aspects of the sound, frequency, rhythm, volume, and environmental context. These responses are filtered through the cat's highly tuned nervous system, which is constantly assessing the world for signals of safety, danger, prey, or play. There is no definitive evidence that cats enjoy music in the emotional or intellectual sense that humans experience. However, their consistent behavioral reactions to specific types of music, particularly compositions designed with feline biology in mind, suggest they do have auditory preferences. These can be harnessed to create environments that are more relaxing, less stressful, and more enriching for domestic cats, particularly in shelters or homes where external noise and stressors are present. The sight of a cat calmly lying near a speaker, eyes half closed, ears flicking in response to gentle music, may indeed reflect a real sensory experience. While they may not hum along or dance to the beat, cats do perceive sound in a unique and sophisticated way, and under the right conditions, they may find certain aspects of music soothing or intriguing. Recognizing this opens the door to more mindful cohabitation with our feline companions, through soundscapes not just built for us, but shared with the creatures whose senses so elegantly differ from our own.